Viewers, I'm in fish market to buy fresh fish for my YouTube Balghari kitchen. So I'm going to buy fish from here and then I'm going to cook in Balghari kitchen. Look, my fish I give for cleaning. Now it's been cleaning. By cleaning stuff, and then I will collect the fish cleaning window where I give my fish. So now next I need to collect from another fish from here. Look at this, our fish ready. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to Balghari Kitchen. And today in Balghari Kitchen, I'm going to make fresh Hammour fish, which I buy from waterfront fish market in Dubai. So I'm going to make grilled fish with some grilled vegetables. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen. Do subscribe Balghari Kitchen. Share to friends and family. And my request always to give your lovely comments to improve our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. So viewers, let me take you to Balghari Kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients for grilled fish. Here I have Hammour fish, olive oil, garlic, onion, garlic powder, paprika powder, black pepper, salt, thyme, rosemary, carrots, some green chili, fresh lemon, which I'm going to squeeze this one. So viewers, let's start our fish. Here we'll take the fish. Here you can put some cuts like this way, some deep cuts like this. Turn around other side. So viewers, let's start marinate our fish. Here I have already fish, so I'm going to add garlic powder, black pepper, salt, turn over, again same garlic powder, paprika, some salt, black pepper, oil, squeeze fresh lemon juice, and marinate this all together. Scrub it until inside. Add some oil on the bottom. Our baking tray. Keep the fish this way, or you can turn the one. Just pour the sauce here. Look at this. Carrots, garlic. Let me trash it. Garlic, some chili, and some onion, some rosemary, thymes. So viewers, our fish is ready to bake. So my oven is already hot, so I'm going to make it on 250. So let me put in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Here they go fish inside. Keep cooking for 15 minutes. So let's check our fish. Oh my god, the fish is almost done. Look at this fish. Oh, very hot. So here our fish is almost ready. I'm going to transfer into plate. Let's transfer our fish into a plate. Oh, fish plate. On the side, some garlic, cooked carrots, lemon, chili. So viewers, look at our grilled fish. It's ready. Look beautiful, nicely cooked. It's amazing flavor. You will love it. You will enjoy it. This grilled fish, which is very healthy. Bought it from waterfront market freshly, and you will enjoy this fish with your family, with your guests. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for upcoming videos. Do subscribe Balghari Kitchen, and thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. Have a great day.